Okay, I've never ridden this. I've heard bad things about it. But I gotta try it out. Gotta do it.
I hope all you kids come out this weekend and really pack this place just to show you how grateful I am. I told you he would. Don't make me a liar.
Lost two buddies there. Who?
All you got to do is knock down those waffles. And don't think it's one of those cowardly attractions you can't possibly win. I'll show you it's on the up and up. Just aim for the middle bottle, like so. Oh, I forgot! It's rigged! I rigged it myself!
Alright guys, make sure you watch the safety video. Once inside, there's only 4 in a row. Thank you.
This is where we make all the wonder and imagination that fuels our park. Hurry, put on these light vests.
Krusty, is this a nuclear reactor? Oh!
What do you know about nuclear energy, kid? Leave that to us clowns.
Oh, Mr. Krusty, sir, the reactor is terribly dangerous with the leakages and the crackages. Observe. Oh, the growing is Now, if a human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occurulate? They could grow 50 feet tall, or 3 extra arms, or an eye where their nose should be, which is painful.
Hey, Nerdenheimer, don't you have a test tube to polish?
Yes, I do, actually, but you denied my request for test tube polish. I've been using rainwater in my shirt tail. It's difficult.
Get out of here! Here we are at the vehicle boarding station.
I'm sorry, sir. People with heart conditions may not ride.
Why, I'm in the best shape I've ever... Oh, heart attack! Been in my life! I feel like a 20-stroke-year-old! Massive aneurysm! I'll wait outside.
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
You can enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say! Well, back in my day, people never had to go. Well, Maggie, looks like I'll be taken care of. That's it, Maggie. Stay with Grandpa. Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel, or whatever this is. What do you want?
A dish best served cold.
Is it ice cream?
No revenge!
Go!
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day?
Simpsons, get in that ride.
Forget it, Bob. We'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety video. You're riding it.
A roller coaster.
I'm scared, Dad!
Sweetie, they won't kill you in an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my duck.
My next big dinner. So anyway, where are you all?
Not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun. Oh, that's a load of corporate. My wallet just fell out.
kiddie ride. Ooh, at least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up. Say we.
Alone at last.
Bob's trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Now, however, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you. Oh, beer!
Homer, it's a temptation.
Did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reactions.
You foiled my plans for the last time. Now!
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, continue, whale!
By the way, now I'm very wet. Marge, stay away from the ramp. Okay, this is no longer fun.
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
What was the radiation did to Maggie?
Boy, they grow up so fast.
Ta-ta, tourists!
Do not fear, emergency.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
The baby is wet and presumed drinking.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Edge! Destroy something!
You'll break it, you bucket.
Get away from my baby! Maggie, that's not a pacifier! Get those tourists out of your mouth! You don't know where they've been!
Home sweet. No! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are snapping my face!
That's nothing, Gravity! I'm a baby bird! This must be the part where they take your picture, okay? Smile!
I've got 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again.
Well, that's our ride. Hey,
Yep, don't go out of your way for that one unless you really, really love The Simpsons. I wonder how much longer this little land will live.